Hello guys, today I will show you how to make a YouTube statistics counter with an Esp8266 board and an OLED display. I will put a link of the project file in the description below. First, we are going to install some libraries. Go to Sketch, Include Library, Manage Libraries, and search for the Esp8266 SSD1306 and install the second library in the list. Next, search for Wi-Fi Manager as one word and install these two. And finally, search and install Arduino JSON. Make sure to install the version 5 of the library. When you are finished, press the close button. Once you've done that, edit the channel ID and API key in the file and click the verify button to make sure that there are no errors. If you see the done compiling message, it means that we are now ready to upload the code to our board. Click the upload button and wait for the upload to finish. Now let's move to the wiring of the OLED display. First, remove the power from the board. If you own a Node MCU, a Wemos D1 or any other ESP12 board, you should connect the wires as shown in the picture. When you do that, power on the ESP board. If you have done the wiring correctly, you should see the searching for Wi-Fi text on the display. Now, grab your phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings and select the YouTube OLED network. After a while, you should see a web page pop up. Tap on the Configure Wi-Fi button, then select your access point, enter the password and tap on Save button. It should say credentials saved, and after a few seconds the ESP will restart and show the statistics on the display. If you would like to show statistics for another YouTube channel, open a browser window while you are connected to the same network as the Esp8266, type esp8266.local, then enter the channel ID you want and press save. The new channel statistics will be displayed on the Esp8266. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.